In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PandaDoc with HubSpot. This is an essential guide for anyone looking to streamline their document workflow and make their sales processes more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting with these tools, this integration can help you achieve a seamless connection between your sales records and document creation. We'll start by heading over to HubSpot. You'll need to log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once you're in, look towards the top right of your HubSpot dashboard. Here, you'll find a marketplace icon. Clicking on this is your first step into integrating with third-party applications. What we're doing here is opening the door to a world of possibilities, where your HubSpot can be enhanced with numerous apps that cater to different needs. After you click the marketplace icon, you'll want to focus on finding the right app, which in this case is PandaDoc. Navigate to the Apps section and perform a search for PandaDoc. It's important to spell it correctly to ensure you find the app quickly and easily. Once you've located the PandaDoc app in the marketplace, select it to begin the installation process. Next, you'll be prompted to log in to your PandaDoc account. If you haven't set up a PandaDoc account yet, this is the time to do so. You'll find that this platform is highly intuitive and packed with features that will optimize how you manage sales documents. For those who already have an account, simply use your existing login credentials. Ensure you have all necessary information at hand to avoid delays, and remember to keep your login details secure to protect your account's integrity. After you've logged in successfully, you're at the finish line of this integration process. All that's left is to verify that everything is working correctly. In HubSpot, you should now see that PandaDoc has been successfully added to your suite of tools. This connection allows you to access the power of PandaDoc directly within HubSpot, bringing added efficiency and productivity to your document workflows. With these steps completed, you should now be empowered to manage your quotes, contracts, and other sales documents all in one place, reducing redundancy and enhancing the speed of your operations. This integration not only saves you time, but also helps in aligning your sales efforts with document management, making your processes smoother and more effective. And that's it. You have now successfully integrated PandaDoc with HubSpot. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you make the most out of your business software. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.